Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the gear, fresh batteries, and the TV turned on to a visible input. Once done, locate the universal remote code list or plan to use auto search. This determines the next steps. Now press and hold the remote setup or code button until the LED blinks or stays lit. This tells you the remote is in programming mode. Make sure to aim the remote at the TV. Spacing under 3 feet keeps signals reliable while you proceed. You now choose between manual code entry or auto search. If you have an LG code, key in the 3 or 4 digits and then press power to test. This is faster and more reliable. If no code, use auto search. Press the TV button, then the search or power repeatedly, or hold play until the TV reacts. This cycles codes until a match appears. Once the TV responds, press the setup or enter button to store the code. Make sure volume and input commands also work. Finish by saving the working code. Press the setup or enter button until the indicator confirms storage. This locks the code in place. Test a variety of commands, power, volume, input, to ensure full control. If something fails, rerun programming or try the next LG code from the list because many remotes hold multiple codes. If problems persist, replace batteries, move closer to the TV, remove obstructions, or perform a factory reset on the remote to clear previous pairings and start fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.